Today we're replacing the headlight assembly in your second generation Hyundai Santa Fe, and we'll do this step by step. This is Caswell's Kappa. Let's get to it. Looking at the top of the headlight assembly, we can see two 10mm bolts. These both need to be removed. Next, there's one more 10mm nut. It's located right here. If you're having a hard time gauging where it's at, go off the top bolt, just move your way down. With the bolts out, we can now remove the headlight assembly. Now when getting the headlight assembly out, we gotta watch out for the stud, and then there's a lip here and a lip here. So easy way to get this out, put your hand on this portion, push out. Once it's out, push this way. This will ensure that this side of the lip is out. Next, grab underneath, pull up. This will get that lip out. And then we just have to worry about this side. Give it a nice little tug. We don't pull too hard because there is an electrical connection there. To remove the electrical connection, there's a cover before you can actually remove the connector. So to remove the cover, there's little clips here and here. Push down on each one until it unclips itself. Just bring it around. The top comes right off. Once that's done, there's a clasp right here. Push down and pull out. And then the headlight is free. Now before we replace any bulbs, we need to understand which bulb is which. We have your high beams, your low beams, and then your turn signals. Looking at the back side, turn signal, low beams, high beams. Now we can install our headlight assembly. To install the headlight assembly, grab your electrical connector, push it till it clicks. Next, we'll install the connector cover. I know most of you won't install it, but we'll go over it anyways. Take the open piece, set it over the clasp, grab the bottom piece, put it on the hangers, make sure the top don't come off, and just slide it around the back and then push it till you hear it click. When installing the assembly, where before we were helping to free the lips, now we're going to fight against the lips. So the easiest way to do this, push the corner in as far as you can while making sure these are underneath your plate. Next, we can focus on the bottom. And hopefully, it should all just slide on in. Since we focused here first, it takes care of this lip, and then we pushed it down, and that would slide it into place. Now, just make sure it's all centered and the bolt holes are lined up. First, we'll install this 10mm nut. This helps to force the headlight assembly back and lines up the top holes. With the back nut installed, we can install these front ones. They should be more aligned. Grab a 10mm, tighten them in there. Once they are snug, you have finished this procedure. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out, that you learned something new. I will see y'all in the next one. Until then.